Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm getting ready to go over to school. I'm going to be working in my classroom today, trying to get everything set up. We are actually scheduled to be going back to school, so I'm going to go in there and do some things around my classroom. Now, I actually have a unique situation that I'm very happy, but it's keeping me very busy right now. I actually have 2 classrooms this year to kind of limit it, the transitions for my students. So I'm putting together 2 classrooms, which makes it a lot more work, but it's fun too. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited that my students are going to have the extra space. So I'm going to take you along, kind of show you what I'm working on, what I'm doing today. I probably won't be finished today. We still have 3 PD days to work next week too, and hopefully I'll get everything wrapped up. And then even then, it's, you know, it's always a work in progress. I usually add things throughout the year, but I'm going to show you what I've done so far. All right, so this is what we're working with. This is my first room, and I kind of got it set up a little bit the way that I want. So I have my chairs spaced out. So my chair's spaced out, and I'm kind of getting started on just like the decor and organizing. I don't know how fancy I'm going to be this year, just because we have to keep surfaces clean. Ignore my one fell off. And I'm sorry I'm breathing heavy. I just had to go walk up our stairs with a whole bunch of stuff I was carrying, so I'm a little winded. It's just sad. COVID shape, I guess. But I think I'm gonna start just kind of organizing some things, and then I think I'm gonna finish this bulletin board right over here. All right, so I have my Zen Zone letters. I'm gonna go ahead and put them up over here. This is kind of my little calming space that I'm going to have. I did get permission to use a calming space. I'm going to have to move my pillow out. We're not going to use that, but as long as I can wipe it down and keep it clean, I can put it over here and we can use that as a calming space for students. And like I said, we can clean it in between uses. So I'm going to go ahead and put my Zen Zone up. I had these up last year and I cut these out with my Cricut, and I did not laminate them last year before I cut them out, which if I had done that would have saved me some time. So I decided to laminate them this year just to make them last a little longer. But my advice is, if you decide to do something like this, laminate your paper and then put it on the Cricut, because I think it'll save you a lot of time. All right, so I've been kind of busy working. I got some of this stuff off camera. Some of it you saw on camera. So I went ahead and refilled my bean bag. So I used this right here. You can see it's just this Big Joe filler, and it made a huge mess even though I cut it on the line, so I'm gonna have to go find a broom. But my bean bag definitely looks a lot better. Like you can see over here that it's a lot more full, so that'll be nice and cozy for the kids. So that's what I've worked on. I've also been working on my alphabet, which you can see behind me that I put up. It didn't fit all on the wall, which was really frustrating. I actually had to go and try to do it twice, and because it just wasn't fitting, which was really annoying. It fit on my old classroom wall a little bit better. So it's just, I think, the shape of the wall, and I'm just gonna adjust with that. All right, so I was finally able to get the printer working, which made me really excited because I have some more things I'm gonna be printing out and laminating. I have these sheets, which just have the multiples on them, which I will be working with some of the students on their goals. So that'll be great. I got this off TPT. I'm not quite sure who the seller is. I'll find out though, and I'll link it for you. I got these from Pathway to Success. These were a freebie. I really like these. So this was from Pathways to Success, and there's just all these nice little posters. I'm going to laminate them and put them in my calming area just around the room. Well, probably just in my calming area. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I got to laminate those. And then this is the bulletin board that I am doing, and this is from Pathway to Success as well in their TPT store, and I'm just going to be doing this bulletin board in my other classroom. So I got this stuff out and I need to finish laminating and then cutting. So that's kind of where I'm at for right now, which doesn't make for the most exciting video, but I'll take you along for a few minutes and see what else I can get done. It's about 2 o'clock, and to be honest, I had surgery last week. That's why I've kind of been MIA for a little while, and I'm getting a little tired. So I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to get things done in here today, but I would like to get these laminated and maybe at least get the paper up and the border up for my other bulletin boards. We'll just kind of wait and see how it goes. So this is my school laminator. I also have one at home. I'm thinking if I don't get all of this done today, I'm going to take this home and then just have 2 laminators run at once, just trying to get things to move as fast as I can. Then of course, keep me working, got my Hamilton soundtrack going. If you haven't seen Hamilton yet, you all need to. It's amazing. So I just love it. Music keeps me going, keeps me thinking and busy. So I was able to get all this cut out. It took me about an hour and a half and my hands are killing me. But I'm gonna go try and set up my bulletin board, and actually I'm gonna do this, I decided I'm gonna do it probably on this wall. I like that here because I feel like this wall is really big and it needs something. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and put this on this wall. And then I think I'm going to be done for today because I'm really tired. So we're going to put this on there, and I'm going to finish this up, put it on the board, and then maybe be done for the day. I've actually been really busy today, so I went ahead and put these pictures up in my calming zone, and I'm planning on doing some more over here, maybe with some Christmas lights or something. Or I really kind of want to do my feelings gauge over here. I kind of want to do something bigger, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but that might be a later project. But I have these pictures up just to kind of get things ready for when they're in here. I obviously still have a long way to go. This place is a mess. But I did get my board up for executive functioning, and I'm planning on doing it in the other room as well. So I really like this board. Well, this wall. I think it gives us something over here we need. Apparently it's a little crooked. I'm going to go back in and fix some stuff, but it's on the wall and I'm tired and I ran out of some sticky stuff, so I have to go to Dollar Tree. But I'm going to go in and fix some of this and straighten it out because it's a little bit of a hot mess, but I'm really tired. So I'm going to leave off for now. All right, so it's about 5:08. I am now the last one in the parking lot, but I had to finish some of that stuff, cutting it all out. The bulletin board stuff took a long time. I think that's just how it is. I had a lot of bulletin boards to do. I should have done some of this over the summer, but I didn't. So I'm gonna work on some of it tonight. I do need to run to Dollar Tree and Walmart. I need more ink, all that other stuff. I may come in tomorrow and work on things. I don't know, we'll just kind of see how it goes. But for today, I'm done. I am not done with everything else. I'm really close to being done though with my actual main classroom, and then I will work on my second classroom later. I think I can get working on that one throughout the week before the kids come. And if it's not perfectly done, I can kind of add some more, you know, throughout the rest of the week. So we are phasing in children, so they're coming in alphabetical orders in small groups. So we maybe will only have like 8 or 10 kids at a time. So I will have chances at the end of the day. I don't think I'll be too tired, and I can go ahead and add some more things if I need to. But I'll just keep you updated. So this is day 1, and we'll just see how the rest of it goes. Alright, right, so one of the things I've been working on is today is I did my data binder, and I did this at home tonight just because I had all the things I needed at home. So this is just a regular 2-inch binder that I got at the store. I think I got it at Walmart, but I have this in my TPT store. I'll go into more detail in another video. I just wanted to show you that's what I worked on. This cover is editable, so you can label it whatever you want, make it how you want, tailor it to your needs. But when you open it up, and this is just how I'm kind of doing it, like I said, I'll show you once I have everything more in there. But you open up the first one, and I have the student's name blocked off for privacy, but I label these big tabs with the student's name. And the first page I have is their IEP at a glance that you can kind of see. And I fill that out. And then I have these different sections over here for the goals. And all I did for that was that I just got a regular piece of paper, and I just added these little tabs and added the numbers to them for each goal. I know they have the numbered tabs that they sell on Amazon, but it was going to be so expensive, and it's not necessary. Just for aesthetic. I did this last year and it worked just fine and everything held up. So that's how I chose to do it again this year. But like I said, this is all in my TBT store. It's editable. I'll go through it again in my next video. Good morning. So it's the first day back for teachers. So it's about 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm getting ready to head over to the school. I've got everything packed and ready to go. So it's our first day back. I've got to get there a little early so that I can go ahead and do all of our safety protocols and health screenings and that sort of thing. But I meant to get over earlier this morning, but I had a really hard time sleeping. I don't know. Anytime I know that I have to go back to school after a break, I always just have a really hard time sleeping the night before. So not as early as I would like, but I'm getting ready to head out the door. So hopefully I can be productive today. I know we're gonna have some professional development, but I'm hoping to squeeze in a little bit of time to hopefully finish up my classroom, most of it at least. That's what I'm hoping to get it as close to done as I can. Tomorrow is a work day, so I definitely hope to wrap it up tomorrow for sure.
Right, so I went to Michael's the other day, actually after I left my classroom, and I found some really cute stuff that I wanted to show you. So I got this poster. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And I think I'm going to use that in my second classroom just because I thought it was a cute little motivational thing. And then they have this one right here, do the right thing even when no one is looking. That was just real sweet. So I probably, like I said, I have these for this classroom. They were $1.99 for a set of 2 at Michael's. And then I got this one, if you can't be kind, be quiet. And then this one, think before you speak, is it true, helpful, inspiring, or necessary, or kind. So I just thought those were nice. And like I said, $1.99 a piece for each, which isn't bad. And then I picked up these little pockets, these magnetic pockets, and they were $2.99 as you can see on here. And just they're magnetic, so I'm going to use them to hold dry erase markers or whatever in them. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I got some of this border, and this was 99 cents. I thought that was cute. I might use it on my bulletin board in here, I don't know. And then I just got some plain black border as well, just because you can never have enough black border. It's a good accent. And some more Scotch sticking stuff. So that's what I picked up there.
Alright guys, so I am getting ready to go to bed. As you can see, I'm in my pajamas. It has been a long few days. I'm really tired, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this vlog off here. I've just done a lot of work, a lot of laminating, getting things done, just trying to wrap up my room and make it look nice. I'll post everything to my next video just to kind of show you how I finished everything up. But right now, I really need to sleep. I think it's necessary, especially since I had surgery last week, so I'm still kind of recovering from that. But if you liked this video, make sure you like and you subscribe and you hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. I got some really cool stuff coming up and you definitely don't want to miss it. So I'll catch you in the next one.